Now it's time for cooking with my mom.
Got the water to boil, and then I'm gonna use this. I need chicken broth, and see, chicken broth. I'm using this stuff from, or whatever you're gonna use. I'm just gonna use a total of 3. This is for each quart. Need to use 1.5 tablespoons. So okay. Oh, here we go. Turn it down a little. That's a total of 3. I bought this from Costco. I think it was like $6. I used to buy the other stuff, but somebody said it wasn't healthy. So I've tried this. It tastes good, I guess. I mean, it depends on your preference. But see, to me, chicken broth is chicken broth. If you make your own, man, this is even better. Okay, so, and then I need, I'm going to use a tablespoon of garlic. I mean, a teaspoon of garlic. Put it in here. Okay. And we are going to do ginger, which is another teaspoon. I should have done it the other way, but I'm going to have to do it this way. About a teaspoon of ginger. Yep, it's about a teaspoon of ginger. Okay. Oh, sorry. That was ground ginger though. And now I am going to add mushrooms. Okay, that's 3 mushrooms. Not everybody in my house can eat mushrooms, so, but it's in the soup, so they can separate it. They need to. I'm gonna let it simmer for a little bit. Added 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I use this kind. Find this at Lucky Store. It's their generic brand. Stickers. They're chicken and vegetable pot stickers. Bought this bag from Costco. It's been boiling like this for about 5 minutes. Well, simmering. So I'm gonna add the pot stickers. And I did add whatchamacallit, Mrs. Dash, a tablespoon of Mrs. Dash. And there we go. So these are frozen. Just keep in mind they're frozen, so it's going to take a little bit just to cook. I added 12 pot stickers. And this is half of a medium-sized onion. That's all you can know. I don't know if you guys remember, but I love onions. It's just one of my favorite seasonings. And now I'm gonna let it simmer for a little bit. Well, bring it to a boil and then simmer it. So it's been boiling for about 5 minutes. And I'm gonna add, sorry, it's my version of wonton soup. I like cabbage. I have to have vegetables in them. So this is bok choy. These are the baby bok choy. I like them because I don't have to cut, you know, I just clean them. I'll sit down and separate them. So there's that. And let this cook, and it smells really, really good. Seriously. It's gonna be, see? Remember, keep in mind, these were frozen. The pot stickers that we were using for as wonton. I don't know if they're the same thing. I don't know what happened to the lid. Oh, here. Oh no, that's not it. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna let it simmer some more while that is cooking. Well, look. It's almost finished. So the last thing I'm gonna add to this, which I love also, the onions. These are frozen also. These are the ones I bought from the store. Cut them up and freeze them. So I'll just throw them in here frozen. They're green onions. These are the large green onions. It smells good. And now I'm going to stir this in. Yep. Just adding more seasoning. Okay. You can check this if it's covered. Cooked all the way. And it looks like it. Does it? Yeah, it sure does. Hold on, I'm going to taste it. Another family favorite. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hit that like button. From our family to yours. Till 5 4.